Hi everyone, I'd like to show you my new heater. It's a candle warmer, food warmer. Some people, put food and stuff like that on to heat at parties and things like that. Now it was designed for 2 candles in it, but it's a flat base. So I've actually got 10 candles in there. So you can put as many as you like in there. And it's really, really hot. I can tell you right now, it's really hot. I've actually got 2 pot heaters. They're good as well, but not as efficient as this. It's instant heat. But like anything else, the heat rises, still the same, but it's warmer. So the way to combat it, to get the temperature around the room, I've used my stove here, which I've used before on the candle pots. You put that on and you wait until the temperature rises to about roughly 60. Once it rises to 60, it will start to spin and spread the heat out. Right? Now, the candles are quite cheap. You can buy 150, 200. We get them quite cheap. They're 8-hour candles. No point in burning the 4 hours. I get the 8-hour candles. Okay? That's what you need to get. And you put them in and you just wait until this gets warm. And not everyone's got one of these, but as I say, put the temperature on it, and it's sitting at, can't see on the thing here, 58 odds. So it should start turning now, and the heat is rising from the back. It's really, really warm, and that heat is spreading all around, your living room area, or tent or caravan, whatever you want to. It really is instant heat. You're not waiting like an hour or anything like that. It's instant, and it heats up the metal on here as well, and it gets hot, really hot. Now this should be turning just shortly. I think it will be. Here we go. I can see it moving a bit. You can wait till the temperature gets real. When it gets hot, it will start fanning out, and then it'll get hotter and hotter and faster, which throws out the heat. Okay, and let's see. I know what I turn it myself, but anyway, there's a lot of things that you can do with this. You could have 2 if you want to. You have 2 of them, and it would really heat up your living room area. You'd be nice and cosy and warm. It's quite nice in here actually at the moment in this living room. It was actually 20°C with the temperature, and it's, there we go, and it's now actually sitting at 23.5 centigrades. So it's jumped up a few centigrades, and it's going higher, and you feel the heat from that instantly. Instantly, honestly, you really do. Right? It's not incredible heat, but it's spreading it. It's not just rising up here and going, dissipating. It's been spread out here and coming out here. But both ways is warming up your living room or whatever, your caravan, or even a tent or anything, a greenhouse even, And this is free. It's called the stove fan, right? It just generates off of heat. No electricity, no batteries, no anything. There's nothing electric here whatsoever. Oh, now I feel the warmth coming there. It's absolutely brilliant. It really is. Now I hope that can help a lot of people out to do this, because it makes a lot of sense. The candles are no expensive, and they burn for 8 hours, remember. 8 hours. And you need at least 8 candles, not less. 8 candles to heat up a living room, okay? I can't remember, it goes by the temperature, but you need at least 8 of them to do this, right? And it's quite cheap. You get a packet of them. There's 25. Well, that one's 12, but other ones are 50 candles. It will last quite, all week, and it'll keep you warm. So give it a try. And if anybody needs a link to the stove here, I can put you on the cheap one. This is a cheap one. just as good, but you can get a lot more expensive ones than that. Goes away up to £30 for one of them. But this one cost me, I think, £15, I think. So I'll give you a link to that if anybody needs it. Okay? And I hope this really does help some people out. Go for it. Right? This is what you call a tea warmer. Right? You get them pre-owned for about £10. For about £10, going up to about £30. But the cheaper ones are okay. Okay? Thank you very much for watching.